This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tracy Green. West Knoxville for only $285,000, a fully renovated with new HVAC, electrical, plumbing, water heater and more. This 1,880 square feet rancherhas a new open floor plan as well as new decks to enjoy front and back, a fabulous kitchen with gray cabinetry, granite counters, new stainless appliances, open shelves, and beautiful new lighting and flooring throughout. Upstairs you will find 3-bedroom and 1.5 baths, and downstairs welcomes you home with den, laundry room and full bath as well. Perfect for guests, home office, game room and more. 1-car deep garage, fenced yard and convenient to Knoxville. Perfect even for VA and FHA loans as well. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Green at 865-584-4000.